She like the way my canary.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Alright, so you already see the title by the vid, but before we get into the vid, you know what I'm gonna ask for.
What?
Get 400 likes on this joint right here. And before we get into that, I got a package in from Into the AM. You already know, description below. You can use my discount code and save 10% on top of whatever sales they got going on. Even if they don't got a sale, you can save yourself some money. But one thing that I do want to talk about, you see the description, giving away the 200 tees. Or you thought I was just going to just 200 for you, everybody.
Basically, yeah.
Nah, so this is how it's gonna go. You're gonna use my code below. Into the AM has a new t-shirt club. They'll be giving out a tee never seen before. Even the person that creates the tee, they not even looking. They just like, yo, get that fly joint out of here. You know what I'm saying? Nah, but yeah, each month you sign up for this club, you use my code, and you'll get a free tee every month. But just for signing up right now, the first 200 gonna get the first month free. So that's a free tee just for signing up using my code. Then after that, it's $14.95 a month. It's like 40% off right there. New tee every month coming at you, staying fresh, staying fly. You already know, word. And since this ain't no Fannie Mae or Sallie Mae college loan, there's no obligation for you to just stay trapped in the joint. Anytime you want, you can cancel your subscription. Word. Yo, let's get into it right quick. Into the AM, I appreciate this. This is from their spring launch right here. And since it's still cold up here, you know, the only times I get to rock these joints is when I'm like in DR or something. Speaking of, that's most of the time when I do rock these tees for right now. I've rocked about 2 of these joints when I was out in DR. This is a joint right here, matter of fact. Boom, Into the AM. Feels nice. I'm gonna rock this joint when I go to DR. Or the hoodies, I rock them when I go down to Carolina. I rock the Moon Man joint, and I got another one to rock when I get down for CIAA in 2 weeks. Be ready, out. Yeah, man. So first up, oh yeah, it's that beach life right here. I got this tank top joint, boom. Nice lightweight joint. Oh yeah, this joint's smooth, word. Showing off the guns in this joint.
Barely.
Next up, oh. Joint so fly, they flying out the packet. Okay, got some shorts. Okay. You know what I'm saying? I don't represent the marijuana, but you know what I'm saying? I rock it, you know? Or hell yeah. So these some nice shorts right here, black joints. They got pockets in them too. Deep for the most part, Paul. Yes, cool. So you can kind of put, you know, I wouldn't put that much in these pockets, have them all bulged out, but now check out the inside. You already know, man, rock y'all some boxes, cause you know what I'm saying, nothing smooth about the streaks in these joints. So this is the inside right here. As you can see, you got the Into the AM logo on the pockets. This is like one of those inside pockets that you can put, like, I don't know, like in my case, I will probably end up putting my money clip in this joint, or whatever, my case holder in this right here, just so I don't have to really put anything in the pockets. But hell yeah, okay. Coming to a river near you in DR, you gonna see me, you know what I'm saying? Or the beach, word. Hell yeah. Last up, oh yeah, I'm like this right here. I got another tank top. Got the moon, the pyramids.
Sun, moon, stars, quasars, motherfucker sound like airwood jets.
Nice colorful joint, this joint is black. Turn to the back, you got the Into the AM logo right there. Now, that's one thing I like about all their shirts. They wild colorful, they really stand out. And just say like, for like you got a hoodie and you got the Into the AM logo like this in the front. I don't wanna rock a jacket over that because the back is like, word, like real loud and fly. So now you got the party in the front, business in the, Paul. Shout out to Into the AM again. Like I said, the t-shirt club, it is free to sign up. You get your first month t-shirt for free. The next month after that is $14.95. This is what you're signing up for, a subscription using my discount code below. And there's no obligation for you to stay locked into the contract. Whenever you feel like you done racked up on about 27 months of tees, keep going, get another 27 months, you know what I'm saying? Join the club, but get your free t-shirt though, you know what I'm saying? Word, the whole mob be rocking Into the AM. All right, so you already know, let's get into it.
Turn up the bass.
Oh, you already know, I hope it worked, cause can't do it again. All right. Oh yeah, before I do open this joint, yo, this dad cap, who is hitting me up, man? Mad rude. Let me turn this joint off. My bad. Yo, this dad cap right here is by Daniel Grand Customs. You use my discount code GRANDWAVE, save 10% off your entire purchase. Go check them out. They do customizations like this. They got the Louis, the Gucci, the you name it. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's get into it. Right, bam. Got your red Nike box right here. From the box, women's Air Jordan High OG, black dark powder blue, gym red, size 8.5. Yeah, I said 8.5. I actually picked these up for somebody, yeah, or yeah, they asked me could I do them that solid, so I said yeah, no doubt. But you know, in the meanwhile, gotta do us a little review.
Is that right?
Even though I didn't get these joints, okay. I'm gonna actually grab a pair for my son, you know? Like, I think I gotta bless Junior with a pair of these joints. And I see that they got the Chicago ones out too in that little crib booty, so pause. But yeah, we definitely gonna do that. This right here. All right, cool. So yeah, man, our first looks, they did these women joints correct. Quality looking good. Let me yeah, got the tumble going on right here. This is just our first list. We'll get into the to the review. Word. Yeah. If I didn't have them damn the fear joints, I would get these. I would have got these. And matter of fact, I like these over the fear ones because I'm not really a fan on that whole, what is it, the patent leather on everything that's like Bama leather to me. And yeah, if I would have known that I was gonna like these like that, I would have thrown those in the damn sneaker sale. All right, but anyway, man, let's get into the review. Take it to the sole. You got your red patented Air Jordan 1 sole right there. Nike Air with the swoosh in the middle. There go your stars up there that usually rub off in the fourth wear if you're scraping the sidewalk when you walk. I don't do that, but yeah, now. Take it to the medial side. You can see the red in the sole. The midsole is white, going all the way around the sneaker, of course. And we're going on the upper. You got that blue right here, going to the black, swooshing Carolina blue right there. Take it to the lateral side, the side that gets all the shine. Same as the medial side. You see the red sole, white midsole. On the upper, you got your Carolina blue, followed by the Carolina blue Nike check. Then you got your black color blocking as well. My favorite part is the Air Jordan brand wings. Love that right there, sets it off. Black pattern at the top. On the lateral side, these Jordan 1s come with a hang tag. Red hang tag with Nike Air lettering and the swoosh. I'm gonna keep this. Yeah, all right, so we'll take it to the ash, Paul. It's UNC blue, and then you got the black color blocking, kind of breaking it up right there. The Carolina blue, and I keep saying Carolina blue, but it says powder blue, so damn all that. Got a little blue tab right here, split down the middle. Sorry about that, I got Amazon Prime coming, but damn. Anyway, moving up to the top, you got that powder blue, because it says, like I said, it says UNC blue and then UNC to Chicago, but this ain't, I don't know, like it's a different kind of blue than really that UNC type look.
It's that other thing.
No, I mean, it'll work. But no, the materials are good on this joint. Got the tumble that everybody likes. No, it's not shattered backboards, but nah, you know, it'll work. Anyway, we take it to the toe box. Toe box is red. Got your perforated holes right there. Nice and tumbled. Word. Moving up, you got your black shoelaces. Black tongue leading up to the red Nike Air lettering with the red swoosh. Since these aren't mine, you know, I don't care ripping these joints up. Nah, just like, let me see, hold up. Nah, we ain't doing that. The insole is red with Nike Air lettering and the swoosh in black. Carolina, nope, powder blue colorway on the left insole with the black Nike Air lettering and the swoosh. The date created? No, we ain't getting into all that. Trying to buy some time. Now, yo, these didn't come with any extra laces. I don't know, like, yo, did the big, well, I don't think so. If it's women, I don't know. But if anybody got the bigger sizes, let me know if they came with extra laces, you know. But nah, man, I like these. I definitely like these better than them damn them other joint, the other UNC to Chicago's. Like, these joints is, yes. I'm kind of like, damn, I regret copping these, but I damn sure do. I don't know. Let me know. Did they sell out where y'all at? Cause I haven't really checked, but I know online, like Foot Locker, I haven't seen them. I just see them in the lower sizes. But looking at these now, I regret not copping these. But I do know that the lower sizes is still there. But nah, these joints cream though, right? Yeah, like killing them damn Fear joints. Boy, damn. This is my first regret right here. But I will probably end up going back and copping these eventually. Just depends if I get a good deal. But anyway, man, I'm not gonna hold y'all. About to get up out of here. Next video up. Got them Air Jordan 5 Off-White joints.
So what?
Yeah, I'm hyped about those. Can't wait to do the review. Can't wait to see them joints in hand. Appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, man. Everybody that's been holding me down, commenting, liking, all that. Again, don't forget about the Into the AM joint. Just by signing up for the t-shirt club, get that free tee. Boom. Let about 200 go. Word. But anyway, yo, let me get 400 likes on this joint. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be.
Don't. I told you not to. Told you not to.
But that Snumps. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.